Hey, we got this really cool LED matrix panel in it. It's like a little light banner that runs across the back of your window or your shop or wherever you want to affix this thing to. It will illuminate some personalized writing, and it's got pre-programmed writing on it as well as symbols also. Comes with a remote, text, gallery, and DIY, rhythm, clock and date, and it does have a remote control, like I said. Bead quantity 16 by 96. Product size 120 by 595 millimeters. About that long, about that wide. I don't do millimeters. Anyway, we're gonna have it hooked up here, and we're gonna take a look at it. Stick around.
Today we're going to look at the app for the LED panel. This top button you use for your text. So whatever you want it to say, you would enter. You just touch that, enter what you want to say. You can change the colors. We're going to make one that says keep smiling. And on this one, you can change the color. So if you'll see, I made it blue. Okay, so that is the color. Then you'll go to the effect. If you want it to move left, that would be to scroll. You'd put it there and see how it moves to the left. You can do move to the right, which just makes it backwards. Snowflake, that's where it just falls onto the screen. Breathe. And fixed. Okay, the next step is to record, and this is where you'll send it to your saved data. In the gallery, there's lots of different things, like if you have a store that sells food or cigarettes or whatever, you can make a banner that says that. Those are all the different ones. On the hot spots, that's your eyes, where you can make it look like your car has eyes. I think that's pretty neat. Here's different setups that already have emojis on it. And it has another set of the eyes. Now, these on Drive are going to be the same as on your remote, and we'll look at that in a minute. It has seasons, which has Christmas and Halloween, and mostly Christmas and Halloween, some hearts for Valentine's Day, some little cute seasonal things. On originality, it's more like the abstract stuff that you can pick from that's already set up. And you can just pick one of these and it sends it to your screen. Next, we have the program list. This is where it holds the ones you've already made. If you'll notice, the one that we made is down here at the bottom. We can check it, hit play, and there it is. On the DIY picture, you can build your own. I've not played with that much, but it is possible.
Oh, you can make it run up and down.
Mm-hmm. And you can change, this is color, changes the color of the background. Oh. And I made the text go up and down with that button. Hit that one and it. Okay, you can change the background color. It's on the same place where you change the color for the letters. It's directly beneath that. Okay, on the remote control, this has all the things on it that this has on it. Right, here's one that says pregnant woman in car. Prohibited, no honking. So on the remote, it has the same features as the program on the app that says remote, but this, you know, you could keep in your console or whatever. And it has a lot of different buttons on it. The first one says, I'm in a hurry, make way. The second one, turn off your high beams. Okay, this is saying left. Pull over, right. This is just laughy faces. And this is traffic. congestion ahead. Keep the distance or you will suffer a lot. Oh, these are funny. Okay, so it's got baby on board, walker ahead. Okay, there you have it, folks, the LED panel.
What do you think? Cool, huh? Have a great day. Really cool. I really kind of dig that. That's really nice. And she likes it too. So that is definitely a winner in our book. If you'd like to order one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.